Good morning. It's day 56, day 55, and 54 is literally still uploading on my YouTube. I don't know why they don't want me to be great, but it's Mother's Day today, and I already got some beautiful flowers. I got some Starbucks gift cards. I got a little mini cake. It's so cute. Such a good morning. But anyways, I'm going to start off with everything I always do. See? It's Mother's Day, but I'm still going to, start the day off right because I know I'm going to be eating today. So, and I ain't even going to be mad. But I just got on the scale. I'm down 14 pounds from day one. It could be way better, but for one, I haven't been in the gym. For two, I've been celebrating. I haven't gained weight, but I'm not losing it, which is, I lost 1 more pound, but it's good because I'm not like going up and down. So, I'm gonna enjoy today. Tomorrow I'm going back to the gym, and Brooklyn just gave me a look because she doesn't want to go to kids club. Tomorrow I'm going back to the gym, and there'll be a little bit of celebrating next weekend. I have, like my nephew graduating, and there's parties and all that great stuff, but I'm not gonna go crazy for that. Today it might be crazy, but I'm not gonna go crazy for that. Because I can still celebrate and eat out and still order good. So, we will get to that day when that day comes. Right now, I'm going to have my ginger shot.
Yes!
Yeah.
Not yet.
Right now, I'm gonna make my ginger shot.
Dad, I'm reading.
One for my husband, and one for me. And I'm gonna have to juice more. Probably tomorrow or Tuesday. Cheers.
Why is it extra hot today?
It's like extra gingery.
Oh, it's burning my soul.
That was so cute. Did you hear him? Boca Boca. They're playing on their little Amazon tablets. Babe, do you want some super greens? Here. So I learned to take my super greens with my apple cider, and then I can't taste how nasty the apple cider is.
It's not letting me get off, Dad, because the circle's gone.
Where's the arrow back?
Now we're back. That makes it pause.
I dissolved my espresso. I did 2 shots again today. I'm pouring into my shake. And then I'm gonna get some ice. I'm gonna put my ice into my shake. My lovely, lovely favorite coffee creamer in the whole wide world. Add that in there. Just a tablespoon, that's all you need. Change your life. And a tablespoon is 25 calories. 1 tablespoon. Shake it up so the ice make it all nice and cold. And this is breakfast. And now I'm gonna go get dressed because we're supposed to be leaving to my mother-in-law's in 1 hour. See you later. We having a fish fry at my mother-in-law's. What are you guys doing over there? Say hey to the vlog.
What up, vlog?
Daddy is going to eat Mommy totally not going to be eating good today. I mean, I'll be eating good. But not healthy. Fish, fries, and crabs. There's a salad there, but I'm not eating none. It's right in front of me too. There's no room on my plate. You guys are so cute. My mother-in-law makes this layered cake.
What y'all do? Oh, they ain't got nothing to do
Look
with
at the
everybody
layers.
knowing.
Look at the layers. Oh my god. I have some. This is my mom's house. Macaroni. This is vegan macaroni. Right.
You mean it?
He said yeah. Rice. Yeah, that's my favorite. That's
Shit, nasty.
the fish head. There's that.
I think I was gonna go get Chinese food.
You're gonna get Chinese food on Mother's Day?
This is what we do. This shit right here.
This shit right here. And this is mine. Oh my gosh. Vegetables.
Dude, it's 9:06.
Alright, it's 9:06 and we just finished rolling the lumpia for the party on Friday. I was gonna say Thursday. On Friday. I just did it again. I blame it on the high noon. Okay, so now I'm drinking coffee. And I did horrible today.
This TV is far more complicated than the one upstairs, and she can watch YouTube all day.
What? Oh, okay. This is my mom. She's so cute. She's like a 12-year-old. But yeah, that's everything I ate today. And then I'm going to eat all of this plate on Friday. And we rolled all of those. That's my brother. Y'all know it's
Oh, dear, I haven't watched him yet.
That's Lexi. That's all I'm going to eat while I'm here. So I will come back on the vlog when I get home. When I take all of my useless supplements for the day. Aww. Look at the lovebirds. 7 o'clock and we're home. And look what I got. Yes, my package is here. I was definitely spoiled this Mother's Day. I feel so loved. Thank you, everybody. These little abundant cake things are so moist. I hate that word, but I hate to say it. So good. So good. I shared it with my husband. And like, we can't finish it. It's just so sweet. It's so good though. But yeah. That's that. Happy Mother's Day. Welcome to my unhealthy vlog day. Alright guys, so I finally changed, got all cleaned up, and I'm going to very quickly do my morning supplements. I mean, my nighttime supplements. But I know I showed you guys what I ate and it was like horrible, but I don't feel like I did as bad as I could have. So I'm kind of proud of myself right now. But I'm mixing this with this because y'all know I don't like this. It's like one of those Krabby Patty gummy things. What's wrong, Kaden?
The bruise on my knee really hurts. Like, look.
You don't remember what you hated on?
No. And like I was just, ouch.
My kid has a bruise and she doesn't know how.
Earlier I was talking to Lola and she was sitting on the chair in the living room and I was sitting on the floor and I got up on my knees to stand up and I fell back down onto my butt and I was like, Lola, my knee hurts. So I pulled up my pant leg and I was like, Lola, I'm bruised. I'm black and I'm bruised. And she was like, yes, black people can bruise. And I was like, yes, I know, but I've never bruised before.
It's a pretty bad bruise.
Yes, like what did I do?
Your sister ain't do it to you in your sleep?
No.
That for her.
Lola thinks I hit it on her metal tool out there.
Could have.
But like that hurts. That didn't wait. Like how could that not wake me up?
Today was a fun day. Actually, a great day. Mother's Day used to be really hard for me, but today was beautiful. Gotta take my treatment.
Nothing?
Nothing, it's a bruise, just gotta wait it out. Ooh, you know I'm gonna add to my water. You can see where it's at though.
What are we gonna
It's
say?
almost gone.
What are we gonna say?
What are we gonna say, Candace?
What are we
What are we gonna say?
Hello?
My daughter and I have been like anticipating this package. Her favorite is mandarin and my favorite is cranberry.
I haven't had my tea. When was the
adding
last time we had aloe? I haven't had my
It's been like 2
tea
weeks.
in like, yeah,
We're like crackheads.
that's a long time.
Literally like,
I can start having my teas in the morning again.
yes.
And I guess I'll do it.
You're way nicer when you get up and have tea.
I'm not sure when I don't
So
go to
mean
school.
to me.
My petition, we should make a petition for all children to have to go back to online school again. That was like the best time ever. So many people were like,
easy.
online school was so hard. Babe, just get up and sit in front of a computer. What was so hard about
I
that?
loved it because we were all just home.
It was like we didn't have to do anything. And like I can do whatever I wanted. I could sleep.
Isn't this cup just so cute? My bonus son sent me a gift card for Starbucks. Now I can get more.
Lola was gonna get you that, but I was like, oh, don't give her that. She has the app. I thought like it doesn't count since you have the app.
You can add it to your app.
Oh.
The gift card.
I'll tell her that for next time. I didn't know.
Alright guys, that was my Mother's Day vlog. It was great. It was an absolutely such a beautiful, great day. And tomorrow we're just going to be back fully on track. I fully enjoyed my day today. It was fantastic. But that's it. And I will see you guys on the next video.